Travelpro's Maxlite 5 Softside Expandable Spinner Wheel Luggage is available in 4 sizes. It's not Travelpro's top-of-the-line model. It currently is available in 7 colors. I'm reviewing the 25-inch Dusty Rose model. These are the dimensions. It weighs about 7.3 pounds. I chose Travelpro because a friend of mine who has over 1 million domestic air miles uses this brand. There's a zipper that allows the bag to expand 2 extra inches. The main compartment is lockable. There's a zippered compartment on the lid. There's another zippered compartment. Two adjustable straps to keep the contents in place. The handle latches into 2 positions. I recommend that when you stow the handle back in place that it does latch. I suspect that if it doesn't latch, it may slide open and get bent by the baggage handlers. There's a padded handle on top, and it is screwed in place, so it is replaceable. And there's another padded handle on the side of the case, and that is also screwed in and replaceable. The 4 wheels on the bottom rotate. The spinner wheels only have 1 wheel on the caster. The higher end bags from Travelpro have 2 wheels. If you load down the bag with a lot of heavy items or drag it over a lot of rough surfaces, you may want to upgrade to a better model. If you do tear up a wheel, the bottom of the compartment is zippered. Replacement wheels are available. You can just screw the new ones in place. The bottom of the bag is pretty sturdy. I strongly recommend you store the luggage in the box and keep your receipt. If you buy the luggage from Travelpro, there is a free 100-day trial period. If dissatisfied, or if returning for a warranty issue, you'll need the box to return the product. A card comes with the luggage. Use it to register your product within 120 days of purchase. If you register your purchase, in addition to the 5-year limited warranty, you are covered for 1 year for damage caused by your carrier. This concludes my thoughts on the Maxlite 5 Expandable Softside Spinner Wheel Luggage. Thanks for watching.